Testing 1 2. All right, can you guys hear me? Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. All right, can you guys hear me? It has a huge delay. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. All right, can you guys hear me? All right, perfect. It has a huge delay to it. But anyway, let's get into it. All right, let's get into it real quick. So, what I want to talk to you guys and show you today is, just, oops. All right, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Let's go over to my, all right, where is it? There we go. Switch over to the different chart. We might have to do this on Zoom. It's not acting right today. It's not acting right today. Come on. There we go. Perfect, perfect. All right, guys. So if you can see my chart and you can hear me, give me some thumbs up. Because what I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. Okay. So, Cash, what's good, my brother? John, what's going on, John? Hey, John, nice. All right, perfect. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, so, hey, John, nice session this morning. All right, so let's talk about trading in the zone. 1 second. Why is my screen not full? Get my mouse. Always trade with a mouse, team. All right, so the pair that I'm looking at right now is Euro USD, and everyone wants to know, how did I get into Euro USD? What you cooking up in the pot? Yeah, cooking up something real big in the pot. Real big in the pot. Okay. I'm not going to share with you the strategy that I was, posting up every, it's crazy strategy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. When I tell you it's crazy, it's crazy. It's called the D5025. D5025. And for those who have used my strategies in the past, especially the FES strategy, you know it worked. All right. So I got a new computer, excited about it. And with this system, we could do some crazy things. All right, we could do some crazy things with this system. But what I want to show you is, where's my other chart at? Got another chart I want to show you. All right, how do we turn $60 into over 200 and something dollars? All right, watch this. Control T. All right, as you can still see that we're in the trade right now. All right, we're still rocking out in this trade. Move this up. All right, team, look at this. This is pure inspiration or motivation of what they want to call it. 0.01. All right, 0.01. $60. Now over $200 with $45 still running. Okay, with $45 still running. All 0.01. I just want to show you that you don't need a lot of money, right? You don't need a lot of money. You don't need to trade with big lot sizes, okay? With big lot sizes to make a lot of money. All right. So what I did was I opened up a $60 account, and I said, you know what? What bill am I going to pay today? Yeah, I trade bills. Because we have residual bills, why not find bills around your house that you can actually trade? Why not make it fun? So that's what I did, team. So I grabbed my my cable bill. Okay, I took my cable bill. Cable bill is $175. I don't know why it's $175. You know, I once heard this model right here. Why pay for television when you can get paid to tell your vision? Why pay for television when you can get paid to tell your vision? All right. I'm actually getting paid right now to tell my vision in forex. That's right. So real quick, I found my cable bill, which is like $170. So I put $60 into an account. Okay, $60. You know, with Traders Way, they give you that match bonus, $60, whatever. So check this out. 0.01s, that's what I was trading. And trust me, when I tell you I stack on 0.01s. You said bills, get them out of here? That's right, get those bills out of here, man. You know, so let's go ahead and look at the entry first. And this is how you can do it. I want you to just hover your mouse and just drag and drop. And it's going to show you your entry. All right, so you can see right here, our entry was right around the zone over here. Okay, this is our entry, right around the zone here. Let me go ahead and see if I can blow this up. I don't know why I can't see everything. There we go. Now I can see everything on my screen. So I'm just going to go ahead and blow this up real quick for you. All right, as you guys can clearly see, we are easy over 120 pips right now. Okay, easily over 120 pips. So I just put another trade in. Okay, I just put another trade in, and I'm going to show you how I did it. Just go ahead, drag this, and go right here. All right, so we're going to do this together, team. Let's do this together right now. Okay, switch over to you don't have to switch to the line chart if you don't want to, but check this out. All right around this zone, I just put another 0.01 in right now, as you can see it right here. I'm just waking up, actually, just waking up. So if I would have seen it, I would have put that 0.01 right here. I'm going to show you trend line breaks, okay? I would have put a 0.01 right here. One-click trading. 0.01. And guys, you know, I don't care if someone makes fun of me, tell me this is Euro USD or either one, Euro USD or AUD, doesn't matter. Oh, commissions has been paid on IML. Woo! That's right. So it doesn't matter, AUD or Euro USD. Either way, we're still doing the same thing. So check this out. Right around this zone, and I'm just waking up. So I missed out on this. I fell asleep on a job. I would have put a 0.01 right here, right at the break. Very important that you know where you are at all times. So as soon as the market would have gave me another pullback, okay, right around this zone, I should have put another one right here. Okay, that's AUD. Now let's go over to Euro. All right, here's Euro USD right here. As you can see, I was stacking up like crazy on Euro. And just as I woke up, all right, when I woke up, I was like, oh man, I missed another one. Here it is. As I woke up, I put another one right here. I wanted to do this live with you. Okay, I wanted to do this live. All I did was waited for the market to pull back. You see how the market is pulling back, pulling back, pulling back? And then I put an entry right here. It's an entry to sell. And almost immediately, within this hour, it's only 2 o'clock, within the hour, the market dropped down and put that trade in profit over 15 pips. Okay, here's the trade right here. Over 15 pips. That's a 0.01. Now, if I would have switched over to a smaller time frame, it would have gave me opportunity to enter multiple entries. Okay, I could have did something like this. Here's a pullback. I could have put a trade here. Okay, first you have to identify the direction of the market. Okay, now what about here? Here's a small pullback. I could have entered a trade here. Okay, what about here? I could have entered a trade here. Okay, and these are all 0.01s. And you're probably saying to yourself, okay, Oren, why not just put a 0.10 or a standard lot size? With all of those 0.01s, eventually it's going to add up to a standard lot size. Well, let me tell you something about that. Can you agree that a 0.01 will eliminate the fear, will eliminate the anxiety, will eliminate the emotions? All right, if you feel that the 0.01 will eliminate the emotions, give me a thumbs up. Because I can put in a 0.01 right now, go to sleep. You notice I don't have any stop losses. I don't have any stop losses going on right now. Why is that? Because if the market goes against me 100 pips, I'm only down $10. Now try to do the same thing with a standard lot size. I guarantee you, you'll be staring at your charts 24/7. All right, you'll be staring at your charts 24/7, saying to yourself, "Okay, I'm panicking right now. I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to close it. I'm just going to close it." Okay, you're going to end up closing your trade because that fear, not knowing exactly where the market is going. So if I move down to a smaller, even smaller time frame, it's going to give me multiple opportunities to enter those trades. Okay? I could put multiple trades here, boom, boom, boom. And as the market came back down, it hit my orders. So look at this. Right here, right around this zone, while we're trading right now, live trading. As the market is pulling back, okay, as the market is pulling back, what I'm going to do right now, 0.01, another sell stop right at the bottom. Okay, and you're probably saying to yourself, hey, Oren, okay, why would you put a sell stop right at the bottom with that huge wick right there? Well, I'm going to show you something. And this is why I don't care about a 0.01. Okay, I really don't care about a 0.01 because if the market does indeed, let me go ahead and pull up my my drawing tool. Okay, let me see. I don't know if you guys can see this. Maybe you can, or maybe you can't. Let me see if you can see this drawing tool that I have here. Yes, you definitely have to identify the trend first. Okay, because you don't want to put a stack of orders in the wrong direction. You know, how many times have you ever had the perfect entry in the wrong direction? It happens. Okay, so what I want you to do, right around this zone here, someone may say to me, hey, Oren, why would you put an order right at support? Well, when that market is ready to break, it's going to break. It's going to drop. Okay? When that market is ready to drop, it's going to drop. Okay? So even if that market came here, picked up my order, and pushed back, even if it went up 100 pips, I'm only down $10. Okay? So I'm not fearing the 0. The direction of the market. So as I go to a higher time frame, 4 hour, the daily, as you can see on this daily time frame, what do we have? What pattern formation are you looking at right here? Okay. Another thing that I'm looking at on this daily time frame, let's go ahead and I'm going to show you something. And this is the one thing that I want you traders, regardless if you're a new trader, experienced traders, I want you to see this and understand this. Okay? When the market moves up and it has a pullback, okay? When the market moves up and it has a pullback, let's say you're drawing your fibs. Okay, if you're drawing your fibs, I want you to check this out. When you're drawing your fibs and you see that the market, I'm always in the wrong direction. I don't know how to improve it. Well, we're going to help you fix that. Okay, so check this out. When the market rises and it does a pullback anywhere between the 382, 50, or 618, let me just go ahead and put a box here. 382, 50, or 618, we're going to call this your blue zone. So here's the thing. If the market would have came anywhere on my blue zone, 382, 50, or 618, I'm putting a buy limit right around this zone. The first one is going to be the 382. The second one is going to be the 618, the 50. And the third one would be the 618. So now I have 3 orders. Okay, I have 3 orders, all 0.01s. Now I'm going to show you the power of this right here. Okay, this is the power of trading with the 0.01s. And a lot of experienced traders, they're going to hate me for this, because this is what you don't see on those screenshots from the experienced traders. You're not going to see the small entries. You're not going to see the 0.01s, but you will see the 100 lot size, the 50 lot size, the 20 lot size, the 10 standards, the 5 standards, the 1 standards. You will see those, but the one thing that you won't see is the initial entry of 0.01. The 0.01 gives me the opportunity to see where the direction of the market is going without having that fear. Okay, so I can enter this trade at a 0.01, go to sleep, and come back and say, you know what? Hey, look what the market is doing. Either the market is retracing down further into the zone, or it's moving in the direction that, predicted. So right around this zone here, the market came down to the 382. I had my first entry right here. Now it pulled back against me. It pulled back against me for 26 pips. As the market came down to the 50%, it picked up my second order. Now, traders, I never enter on the first test after this big bullish move. I never enter on this one. I always enter on the second, because the second gives me that opportunity to do things like this. Okay? The second gives me the opportunity to do things. If I want to trade a standard lot size on that second test to that zone, it gives me the opportunity to say, you know what? Now I'm going to put in my standard lot size. Okay? I'm going to put in my standard lot size now, because here's the one thing I want you to see. When the market breaks into that new zone and it retests, we haven't established support or resistance yet. Okay, support and resistance has not been established. This market could easily turn around and make a continuation to the downside. So after the second test to that support, all right, after the second test to the zone is confirmation of support. Okay, so we're just going to write this down here. Okay, the second test to the zone, is confirmation to support. There we go. Put this here for you. There we go. So now, when that market come back to this zone here, this is going to give you that opportunity to enter that trade with the lot size that you want, whether it's a standard lot size, a 10 lot size, a 200 lot size. I don't focus on entering the trade on the first move. I let the move happen because the second move is going to be the biggest move. The second move is going to be the best move. Now, what I want you to see right here, okay, notice how we drew our fibs, and I usually draw my fibs from the trend, the direction of the market. So if we know that the market is moving to the upside, all right, you have to do more confirmation to understand why the market is going up, okay? With the way I teach you, I would show you how to identify a change in trend direction, okay? But for this demonstration or illustration, I'm going to show you as if you already know that the market is moving to the upside, okay? So I normally draw my fibs in the direction of the market. But the way the Fibonacci's are set up, you're not going to see the extensions on your fibs, okay? If you draw your fibs in the direction of the trend, your extensions will go to the downside. Well, I have a trick for that, okay? Here's a trick for that. If you want to get your Fibonacci's, your extension, your 618, okay, if you want to get your 618 up in this level here, here's a trick for that, okay? All you have to do is double click on your fibs, go to fib properties, okay? And you notice that right here it says 1.618, and in the description it says 618. Well, all you have to do, if you want your fibs, if you want your 1618, which is here, in this direction, this is what you have to do. You see where it says 0? Anything that says 0, you want to put a negative sign in front of it. So what I want to do is go to add, and I just want to put negative 1.618. Negative 0.618. And we're just going to put target here. Okay. Okay, so perfect. So when you put your negative 0.618, you see this right here? Look where your 0.1618 goes, right in this zone here. Okay, now 1.618. Now I'm going to do it again. This time I'm going to put negative 0.618. Go to add, and we're just going to put negative 0.618, and we're just going to put target number 1. That's going to be your take profit number 1. Hit OK. Okay. Now, notice how I put my take profit. You see this 1618? It's now on this end right here. So now I just put in 2 take profits. After this market break the zone here, it goes to this level, then it's going to go to this level. Okay? So check this out. Let's go ahead and move the fibs out the way. And now I'm going to draw my fibs from here down to here. Perfect. Come on. 1 second, John. I'm going to answer your question. Just move this over right around the zone here. So here we go. Does each pullback have different stop loss? That's correct. Very good question, John. Yes. Each pullback has a different stop loss, but if you know the direction of the market, you can use the same take profit. Okay? So this market came down to the 382. It didn't come down to the 50. It came down to the 382 and picked up my order. This was the first test to that zone. I don't enter on the first test. So this market pushed back up. When it came down to the second test to confirm support, this was a confirmation of support right here. So I said to myself, okay, if this market comes down to the 382, to the 50 or the 618, my target, okay, now to, let's say if I want to capture this box right here, if I want to copy this box, all I'm going to do is hold control and double click. Hold control and double click. And now I can move this box around. Okay. Hold control and double click. And now I'm going to copy this box. Anywhere within this box is going to be my take profit. Anywhere within this box is going to be my take profit. But being that I'm going for the maximum take profit, which is the 1618, I want to see the market make a move like this. Okay, so this would have been, I could have had a target here. I want to see that market come back down. Now, look at the things that you're going to see. This is a classic Elliott's wave move. Okay, classic Elliott's wave move. And you're probably saying to yourself, Oren, how's that Elliott's wave? Okay. Classic Elliott's wave move. All right, you have your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. And the one thing about the Elliott's wave, inside the Elliott's wave, you're going to see inverted head and shoulder patterns. You're going to see double tops, double bottoms. You're going to see all of that inside of the Elliott's wave pattern. Okay, now, being that my entry was right here, my target is the 1618. Perfect exit to this 1618 right here. I want you to look at the reaction from the market when it came down to the 1618. Okay, look at the reaction from the market when it came to the 1618. Let's say if you want to extend this box, instead of drawing it all the way across, right click, go to rectangles, go to parameters, and just change the date right here. Change the date to 2020. And then it's just going to extend that rectangle box all the way across. Okay? Learn to master your platform. It's going to change the way you trade. Trust me when I tell you. Learn to master your platform. And now, this is the part that I love the most. Okay? When that market, like I said, classic Elliott's wave, when that market comes down from wave 1, 2, 3, wave number 4 to wave number 5, it's going to extend to the, let me see, wave number 4. Okay, wave number 4 to 5 is going to extend up to the 1618 or 2618. It can extend higher if it wants to. Once you get to wave 5, all right, once you get to wave 5, you're going to see the market do a ABC correction. Now, this is the part that's going to blow your mind. And how this is also, when you see this, you're going to say to yourself, wow, wow. Remember this 1618 area right here? How the market came to the zone, paused, and then pushed again? Well, what if I do this? What if I draw my fibs in the direction of the trend all the way up to the high? Okay, all the way up to the high. Now, let's take a look at this. We can see a nice harmonic pattern that's forming here. This would be your X, A to B. Okay, X, A to B. Notice how this market pulled back to the 50%. Now, if you can pull up the harmonic pattern, it's either going to be a bat or a crab. This market pulled up. Oh, my goodness. It's going to blow your mind, team. Watch this. This market pulled up to the 50%. It's either going to be the bat or the crab. Now, Then the market pulled back to the zone. Notice it did not break this high. Okay, it did not break this candle right here. Yeah, it extended, but it closed within the zone. Can we see this market come back down to the 886, right around this level here? I did a webinar earlier this week showing this to the 886. Now you're probably saying, Oren, where's the 886? I don't see it. Notice the 886. Watch this now. Watch this. It's going to blow your mind. Wait, let me get my trend. Let me get my fibs. Perfect. Let's put up the 886 real quick. All right. 0.886. And let's just put target. Okay, let's just put target right there. And hit OK. Perfect. Here's the 886 right here. Okay. I can see this market probably throwing a wick anywhere in the zone coming down around the 886. Come on. Now, is it going to happen in one day? Nope. Well, you never know. I can't say that. Past performances does not guarantee future results. Okay? So, anything can happen. Anything can happen. This market could probably say, hey, I don't want to come down to the 886. But what I want you to see here is, let's go back and let's extend this all the way across. Okay? I want you to see what you have going on right here. What you have here is the market retest, 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 right around the zone. It gets rejected. Okay? It gets rejected. Don't you see a head and shoulder pattern? This would be your head, left shoulder, right shoulder. What does this right shoulder turn into? This right shoulder turns into the left shoulder of a inverted head and shoulder. If you can't see that this is an inverted head and shoulder, switch over to your line chart. Okay? Once you switch over to your line chart, okay, let's move this out of the way. Once you switch over to your line chart, and let's get this out of the way. I like to have a nice clean chart. What you're going to see here, you're going to see Batman. Whenever you see Batman, life is good. Life is real good when you see Batman. You see how most traders, they trade the bat pattern? I look for an actual Batman. Okay? These are the wings. Okay? These are the wings. This is the head, and these are the wings. Okay? The right wing, the head, and the left wing. It looks like a Batman or a bat sleeping upside down. Give me a thumbs up if you see that. If you see a bat sleeping upside down, give me a thumbs up if you see that. Okay? So, now, around this zone here, we saw that the market just broke out of this area here. So you have a breakout. We're looking for a possible retest. Okay? We're looking for a possible retest right around this demand zone. This is going to be my demand zone. Okay, right around my demand zone. Extra confirmation. This is my demand zone. When you're looking for a demand zone, we're looking for large candles. Okay, large candles. This is the daily time frame. So any candle that's on the daily time frame is going to be a large candle. So I'm looking for a large candle that's right around this zone. So when this market breaks out of this demand zone, I'm going to put a buy limit, okay, right at this level. Okay, I can put a buy limit right at the zone because the market is retesting this demand zone. See, traders, knowing where you are at all times pays. Okay, knowing where you are at all times, it really pays. So let's get back into it. This is the part that's going to blow your mind. You're going to say to yourself, Oren, it can't be that simple. Okay, and my team is going to hate me for this. They're going to say, well, Oren, come on. We joined you in IML and iMarkets Live so you can show us this exclusive stuff that you're actually showing the people on Facebook. Well, this is what I tell my team. You have those who are spectators versus those who are actually taking notes. We have 32 people viewing in right now. 32 people viewing in, and I guarantee you, 29 out of the 32 are spectators. I can give you everything that I know right now, and you're not even taking notes. I can write down and show you every entry that I'm putting in, and you're not even taking notes. Eventually, the 32 people that we have is going to start to drop down to 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, to eventually it's only 2 people on this webinar with me. So I don't mind sharing because people are not studying. People are not taking notes. But then you know what's going to happen? They're going to go out and spend $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 for forex training when I gave it to you for free. How many people on here who've been following me for the past 2.5 years witnessed me give this stuff out for free for the past 2.5 years on Facebook? And if you are one of the 2 people, or many people that's been following me for the past 2 years and didn't take notes, you've been a spectator. Yes, John, I have to say you have been a spectator. But you are learning. You're finally learning, John. Mula, yes, my man, you've been with me for the longest. And the one thing about my teaching style is I teach like I'm talking to a 5th grader. Because I know how difficult it is when it comes to trading, trying to understand the movement in the market. Not understanding the market is dropping. Not understanding the market is going up. Why is the market going up? Why is the market dropping? You see, team, when I first joined IML, I didn't join IML to recruit. I'm not a recruiter. I'm horrible at recruiting. But the one thing I did learn was how to trade. Now that I'm giving back, showing you what I've learned over the past 2.5 years, it made recruiting or sharing so much simple, easy. Okay? I don't even have to send my link out now. People just reaching out to me saying, hey, listen, Oren, how can I join you? How can I partner with you? I said, oh, wow, that was easy. Let's do it again. But anyway, I appreciate those who are taking notes. So now, this is the one I'm going to leave you with. This part right here is going to blow your mind. Okay? This is the part that's going to blow your mind, and I'm going to leave you with this at 3:01 on a Friday. Okay? And if you have, I'm a first timer here with you. Yenny, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yenny, if this is your first time here with me today, you need to join me on IML TV tonight at 9 p.m. Okay? Join me on IML TV tonight at 9 p.m. because what I'm going to show you tonight on IML TV is definitely going to blow your mind. Okay? It's definitely going to blow your mind. So, if you don't have IML TV, you know what to do. Hit me up. Matter of fact, hit me up, and I got a few people who just partnered with me that I'm going to give you their link so you can join them. Okay? I want to help my team. I want to help my team so they can focus on trading. So if I can help you eliminate your membership and then you can focus on trading, whew, powerful. So let's get into it. Note takers or money makers. My man Mike, how you doing, Mike? All right. Note takers or money makers. So let's do this, guys. Let's do this real quick. I want you to hold backspace. I hope you got a screenshot. Take a screenshot. All right. Take your screenshot. James Wright, what's going on, James? Take a screenshot because I'm about to delete everything that's on the screen, okay? All right. In 3, 2, 1. In order to delete everything that's on your screen at one given shot, just hold backspace and it deletes everything. Everything is deleted. Perfect. All right. So let's go ahead and take a look at our trades before we continue. Aussie USD. Ooh! Aussie USD full blown. Oh my goodness, look at those entries. Oh my goodness, look at those entries on Aussie. All 0.01s. Okay? All 0.01s. Trades up here. All right? I put a sell limit here, but we're already in the trade right here. 0.01s all days. They're going to call me the penny man. But it adds up. Trust me when I tell you. Hold control and T, it adds up. $47 on 0.01s. How is that possible? $47 on 0.01s. We took a $60 account, okay, a $60 account to over $247 trading 0.01s. How far can we go? 0.01, and the commissions are not bad either, okay? 0.01, that's, how many pips are we in? Go right here where it says profit, right click, and click on points. All right, profits. I don't even want to see the profits. I don't even want to see the profit. I just want to see the pips. Go to profits and then click on change it to points. 125 pips, 128 pips, 100. Somebody pull out your calculator and calculate the pips just for today alone. All right, I need somebody to pull out the calculator and calculate these pips. Calculate these pips on today's trade alone. 125, 128, 130, 71, 1 pip, 22 pips. Okay? Somebody calculate those pips. 126, 128, 132, 72, 2 pips, and 25 pips. What's my total? We got to be almost 400 pips. Almost 400. Got to be like 380. Almost 400 pips just today. Okay? Almost over 400 pips just today. Now, when most traders look at 400 pips, you're probably saying, oh, that's not 400 pips. That market didn't go from the top all the way down to the bottom. Each entry. The 757. What's going on, my brother? VA is my hometown. VA is my hometown. I know you're probably saying 400 pips. That's not 400 pips. Each entry has its own pippage. Woo! Each entry has its own pips. Okay? So, AU is looking good. EU is looking amazing. EU, look at this, man. EU is looking amazing. But anyway, let's get into it real quick. You guys want to know the secret sauce. You clearly see the double top on the top. Now, this is something that I created. I'm probably speaking super loud right now, and I have a mic right on my chest. This is something that I created. Watch this. So, drag my fibs from the high to the low. Drag my fibs from the high to the low. This move didn't happen yet. Okay? This move didn't happen. Oh my goodness. If you see something, say something. Watch this. Wow. If you see something, say something. Watch what I'm about to do, and it's about to blow your mind. This move didn't happen. The market dropped down and pulled back. Now I'm going to box it up like some Chinese takeout. Okay? Where did the market pull back to? Come on. Where's my box? Get this box. My box won't move. Where's my box? Let me change the color. Let me change the color on it real quick. Oops. because my box won't move. There we go. I got too many orders over here. Got too many orders going on. I can't even pick up my box. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Take this box. Where did the market come to? Right around this zone. This is my supply zone. Knowing where you are is very important. Okay? I have built inside of my fibs my supply and demand. Now, I can't give you that. I can't give you the supply and demand levels that I have for my fibs. My team would kill me if I do that. Okay? Notice that the market came to my supply zone, had a reaction, and dropped. But I can give you this. Watch this. So, I'm going to hold control. I'm going to try to do it not on my order. There we go. Double click and move the box down. Now, remind you, equal distant move. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Equal distant move. It's going to blow your mind. You're going to say to yourself, Oren, that's ridiculous. How did you come up with this stuff? Now, remind you, watch this. Equal distance move. The market drop, pull back. Wherever the market pulled back at, equal distance move on the bottom. So you can clearly see that the market pulled back to the 100%, a full 100% retracement. So I'm looking for a full 100% retracement to the downside. Okay? I'm looking for a full 100% retracement to the downside right around this level. Now watch this. It gets even better. Something is going to happen. Okay? It's going to push this market down just a little bit. It's going to give you the opportunity. There's your break. Your retest. Come right back into this box. Okay? Oh my goodness. You've seen it first here. You've seen it first here. So if next week we're all trading Euro USD, some of you are probably jumping in Euro USD right now. Okay? Some of you are probably jumping in right now and say, you know what? I'll take the drawdown. I'll hold this trade. And yes, I am holding this trade over the weekend. Okay? Yeah, the market is going to consolidate because we're getting to the end of the hour, to the end of the day. It's going to pull back. Okay? But watch this. This is what I want you to see. Watch this. I can't make this stuff up. Let's move this one up to around here. Let's build something. Guys, I don't have to show you my boring lifestyle for you to believe that what I'm telling you is true. I'm 39 years old. I don't have time for lifestyle. What I'm trying to build right now is a legacy for my kids. Okay? I'm not going to build a lifestyle. Okay? I'm not going to showcase my lifestyle to impress you right now. Because whether I'm winning or losing, you're still not going to support me. You know? You're still not going to pay my bills. So, I want to see this market pull back to the zone here. And when it pulled back to that zone, I want you to look left. What do you see right here? Structure. You see your left shoulder. All right? You see your left shoulder right here. Chantel, let me ask you something. Are you a part of the live trading room that I'm in? Are you part of the live trading room? Because you're saying you've been in since this morning, and we've been in since this morning. So look, left shoulder structure right here. I want to see this market pull down, pull back up to this zone. Once you get that retest, you might see something that looks like this because it's not just going to drop straight down. Okay? Once this market pulled back, you might get a second test to the zone. Remember what we spoke about? Okay? Second test to the zone. Second test to confirm either support or resistance. All right, you need that second test to confirm either support or resistance. So what that baby is going to do, what we would like for it to do, I can't guarantee you. Oh, okay. Good job. You said a mob way? What's the mob way? The mob way sounds like a good way. Okay, so we need that second test to the zone. 1. After that breakout, 1. This is where you put your big order in at. Okay, you put your big boy right here. You can hit him with something big. Nice buy limit right here. I mean a sell limit. Hit him with the big one right there. And once that market come down to that zone, okay, I know you see the double formation, and we also could see the market do a 50% or 618 retracement. And then from there, what are we looking for? For those who know me, if you know me, and if you know the way I trade, why is this a perfect setup for a sell stop right here? I want you to look at this. Support. Okay, we have support. This is one test right here. One test to support. When this market comes back down, this is going to be the second test to support. You see that? This is test number 2 to support. That's confirmation that that's support right there. Okay? All right, so if you know what we're looking for, what are we looking for to break that zone? Okay? That's right. Break on number 4, baby. Break on number 4. So we got 1, 2, 3. And once that market do that second test, that's right, Chantel, consolidation. There's your consolidation. Once that market break that second test, we're looking for this to happen. Boom. We hit it again. Right now, that's from this zone to this zone, that's 300 pips. Okay? That's 300 pips right there. We did it again. So what happens? We hit another demand zone. Consolidation, break. Okay? Consolidation, break. Look at this. We find another demand zone. Boom. So the market comes right back down to that zone. Who can tell me, what do you think the market's going to do next? Okay? It could do one or two things. It could go back and do a 25% of this move, okay? 25 to 38% of that move, or it can just do the same thing all over again. 1 at support, 2, 3, repeat the same moves all over again, okay? And then continue to drop down and hit my final target. When this market hits my final target, can anyone tell me what is the completed pattern that we just made? What is that completed pattern that we just made? Can anyone see the big overall picture that we just made? We just made a huge head and shoulder pattern. Okay, let me minimize it so you can see it. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, we just took this market from the head and shoulder up to the top and brought it all the way back down to the head. You see this zone right here? Look at this right here. Another zone. Another zone. Look at this. 1 touch right here. 2 touch right here. This could be that third touch to that zone. Head and shoulders. Could we see this market potentially come all the way back down to the zone? Okay, all the way back down to this level, right around the zone here, completing the shoulder. That's right. Okay, now look at this level here. All around this zone here. Isn't this a retest? Wouldn't this be the test number 1? Okay, breakout, retest number 1. Knowing where you are is very important. Okay, knowing where you are is very important. Check this out. Structure, 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 structure. Breakout. Guys, I hope you're getting your screenshots, because once this is done, I probably won't be doing this again, because my team is going to scream at me once I'm done with this. They're probably going to tell me delete Facebook. You're no longer allowed to go on Facebook and do any more trainings. Uh-oh. What's this? Okay. Hey, my boy Shane. All TP should get smashed. That's right. Oh, man. Let me tell you guys, we have one of the most powerful live trading groups ever. You know, my boy Christian Baptiste, the market maker. Shane faithfully comes on every single morning at 8 a.m., okay, at 8 a.m. and just hosts a training for the team, the New York session. And then Chris and I, we come on during the London session and just share our knowledge. We need some traders that's going to come around the Asian session. And who's available to come around the Asian session? Because we want to be one of the most powerful teams out here to just educate you. And when I tell you, Shane, if you guys think that what I'm telling you is educational, the stuff that I'm dropping you, man, Shane breaks it down. Christian breaks it down to the market maker level. You thought your head explode when I talk? Whew. Them boys is up to something. Man. Mark, you looking to take on that Asian session? So look at this, guys, right here. Here's your breakout. Here's your first test. Okay? Here's your first test right here to the breakout. Where's your second test? Your second test is right here to confirm support. Once this market come down to confirm support, I'm putting a buy limit right here. Easy money. I'm putting it, well, I don't want to say that, but hey, my man Sean Joseph, the Brooklyn Trade House is in the building. The Brooklyn Trade House is in the building. It's a lot of traders coming out of New York. Don't sleep on New York. A lot of traders are coming out. And this is just, I might be just overdoing it right now. You know, might be just overdoing it right now. But is Euro still in the uptrend? Yes, it is. Okay. I know I might just be overdoing it, but check this out. What if I was to draw my fibs from the low, 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 all the way up to the high? You know what I'm looking for? I'm looking for that 50 to 618. There it is, baby. Look at that. 50, come back down to 50. Okay. Oh, if I really want to get big with it, watch this. I would say my target would be here, target number 1. And then when I would have another target way up here somewhere. And you're probably saying, Oren, what the hell are you doing now, man? You got to look at the overall picture. You got to look at the big picture. Teacup, baby. Teacup. So what's going to happen to the dollar? What do you think is going to happen to the dollar? See, I look at long term. Okay? This is a teacup, a classic teacup. Lesoldo, where you at? This is your pattern right here. Appreciate the love, right back. Let's keep helping people. That's right. Fibonacci is the truth. Yes, it is. Okay? Fibonacci is the truth. Let that market come down to that 50 again. Extend it all the way up. Look where my target is. You see where my target is? The dollar is going to get weaker. Yes. Look where my target is right here. Why is it? It's not a coincidence that my target is here, and look at structure. Look at structure. Okay? Let that market come right back to where? Structure. Structure all over your chart. All over your chart. Look at that. Beautiful. Team, I am telling you, We're about to have Brexit #2. Okay, if this market comes down to the zone, we could easily take this market up and hold it for over 2,500 pips. And I know a lot of you probably not even looking that far. Okay, a lot of you are probably not even looking that far to take this market long term. But I'm looking at this long term, and look at AUD. Watch this, AUD. That's some money for another big. That's right. Look at AUD. Watch this. Watch this. Oof. AUD, daily time frame. Let's go to the weekly on the AUD, right? So let's get rid of all of this. Actually, let's leave that on for a second. Go to the weekly. My man Cash trades that weekly. Oh my goodness. Look at AUD on this right here. Oof. Moving average confirmation right there. AUD. Oh my goodness. Draw your fibs from the low all the way up to the high. Market pull back to the 5th. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't do it to him like that. Don't do it like that. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Market pull back. Can we get that? We got the 50 right now. Can we get a 618 entry? If that market decide to come to the 618 entry, oh no, no, hold on, time out. Hold on. Backspace, delete. Wow. Go to the, oh no, I know you're not creating an inverted. I know you're not creating an inverted on them. I know this is not a Batman. Is that Batman on AUD? Yeah, he's sitting right there looking at you. We haven't even created the right wing. We haven't created the right wing yet. Oh, this is his cousin sitting right here. Batman cousin. Yeah, that's Batman. They sleeping. Okay? Look at these bats. They sleeping. Sleeping bats. They're about to wake up. And when they wake up, that dollar's going to crash like crazy. Oh, no. What the? All these sleeping bats. All these sleeping bats. Look at this. Oh, no. Look at this. Look at this sleeping bats. Let me show you something. Here's the head of the bat, right? Market comes down to the 50. I guarantee you this came to the 618. Yep, I knew it. Extended. Got me dying. Look, this came down to the 618, right? Where's your target? Right around the zone, right? Check this out. Market reaction. Oh, no. Wait. Here's the head of the bat, right? Head of the bat. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you going to give me something? Ooh. Are you going to give me that? Uh-oh. Where's my target? Where's my target? Where's my target? Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Come on. No. That's too easy. That's too easy. That's almost 800 pips right there. That's too easy. Come on. That's too easy. Ah, no, don't tell me that. It can't be that easy. Oh, no, don't do it to him like that. What? What? They putting our target right here? What? Are they going to put our target right here at 0.84946? I'm not telling you that. I'm just asking you. Are they going to put a target right there? Helping us retest the zone? No way. Wait. What if I draw my fibs from here? I need an added confirmation. Down to the low. No way. No way. That's the 618. That's the 618. That is the 618 right there. No way. So hold on. You mean to tell me we need to drop and then pull back to the 618? And then once we get to that 618, and then we're going to have a move? I'm not telling you this. I'm just asking you. Oh, no. That's the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame sometimes is too big for your hearts. You can't hold that. Oh, no. This is the straight HODL. Okay? Euro USD. What about GBP USD? What about GU? Oh no, GU. Weekly time frame. Oh, my heart. GU, weekly time frame. What's going on? This stuff is beautiful. Retesting Brexit. Okay? Retesting Brexit. Supply zone. Oh, Batman. Batman. There you go. Oh, my brother is watching. Woo! What's going on? My brother all the way from Virginia. What's going on? Actually, this is my real brother, everyone. Yeah. Oh my. Listen, look at this, guys, right here. Let's go ahead and cut the head off of this. Switch to the line chart, and let's cut the head off. Watch what happens when you cut the head off. Shoulder to shoulder. Okay, that's all we're going to do. Shoulder to shoulder. Okay, cut the head off. Switch back over. When the market break, there's your entry. Okay? Pull out your fibs. Pull out your fibs. Now, watch this. When we take this, watch, I'm going to show you a little quick fib trick. And then I'm going to let you go. I know I told you I was going to let you go a long time ago, but I know some of you are probably saying, come on, let us go. We want to go already. Okay? Check this out. Here's a quick fib trick. All right. So this didn't happen. This didn't happen. Okay? So, market went up and the market came down, right? Oh my goodness, it's about to blow your mind. All right. So everyone, if you want to get your mind blown one last time, give me some likes, some hearts, some everything. All right? Give me something. Watch this. Market goes up. Comes around the zone. Okay, here we go. About to have your mind blown. Then I'm going to let you go. I'm going to drop the mic. Drop the mic. This didn't happen yet. Okay? Market goes up. Around the zone. Market comes down. Where? Guys, ladies and gentlemen, traders, remember what we just saw on Euro USD? Where the market come back? 100%, right? If the market came 100%, where's my target? 100%. Oh my goodness. The market came 100%. Now, remember what I showed you on Euro USD on the drop? Let me go to Euro USD to show you. Remember on Euro USD on the drop? Okay, Euro USD on the drop. I showed you this. All right, anyway, forget it. Y'all don't want to see this. Y'all don't want to see this. Okay, so market came down, boom, hit you on the drop, right? Came back 100%. Support was confirmed right here, but that market came back right around the zone. Look what happened next. It broke out of that level. It broke out of that level where your target was at, came back to retest that zone, and the market went to heaven. It went and hit your next target. Look at your take profits. Your take profits are in your fibs. Take profit 1. Take profit 2. Oh my goodness, y'all don't see it. Y'all don't see it, traders. Come on, y'all want to make money or you want to make excuses? Look at this. If we would have gotten to this trade and held this trade from February of 2017, that's over 2,000 pips. On a standard lot size, how much is that? I know 2,000 pips on a 0.01 is only $200. But let's go for the pips, traders. Let's go for the pips. Okay? So, I'm going to leave this with you. Okay, I'm going to leave this with you. If you guys, if none of you are in IML, if none of you who are on here are not in IML, and you're excited about what I just showed you, okay? Okay, if you're not in IML and you're excited about, that's right, 200,000 on the standard, and you love what I just showed you, okay, this is the last person who just signed up with me right now. I'm going to share her link right here with you. The last person who just signed up with me right now in IML, I'm sharing this person link, and if you want to join, you sign up under her link. For anybody who sign up, who say, hey, listen, Oren, I want to sign up with you, send me your link after you sign up, and I'm going to share it with the next person who wants to sign up. It's teamwork. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. And once you partner with us, okay, once you partner with us, we're also going to do this. I don't care if you sign up with me and you tell me, hey, listen, I signed up, so give me until next week so I can get everything situated. No. You sign up, we go straight into training mode. All right, remember that. You sign up, we go straight into training mode. And the first thing you're going to learn is the new strategy, D50-25. D50-25. That's the first strategy that I'm going to teach you, the D50-25. So if you're not in IML and you love what I just shared with you for the past 2 hours and you want more of this, sign up using that link with the last person who just signed up with me. And then once you signed up, send me your link so I can share that link on the next training that we do. Whoo! You see that? On the next training that we do, I'm going to share your link. And then send me that link. On the next training we do, I'm going to share that link. Because if I can help you eliminate your membership, you know what's going to happen? You're going to focus on learning the skill set. Focus on learning the skill set. So everyone who just signed up with me over the past 2 weeks, if I do not have your link, if I do not have your iMarkets Live link, which I told you to send it to me, I'm sorry for your loss. No, don't worry about it. We're gonna take care of you. So that's right. I want you to focus on the training and not having to worry about the money. Okay? USD JPY. What are we doing? What are we doing, UJ? Everybody's been waiting for you to make a move. Are you finally going to make that move? I bet you CAD is going to move before you. Yep. CAD, I knew CAD. CAD is going to move before you. Look at that, man. Last night, look at this beautiful, beautiful move that CAD made. CAD is going to move before you. And for everyone who don't know, I got a strategy called Wicks Matter. And I'm going to give it to you. I'm going to give you right now my Wicks Matter. Okay? Here it is right here. Okay? You guys remember last week when CAD, on the January 17th, that wasn't last week, but, you know, Wicks Matter. I'm going to give you this. For everybody that's on here, you can have it. Okay? You can have this strategy right here. I created this strategy. For everyone who know me, they know this. Okay. I want you to find a candle that has about 75% wick. 75% looks like this. This is the candle. And I'm giving this one away for free because I got so many strategies. I get bored of trading. So what do? I create a strategy. Every night on our training, I create a strategy. And majority of people don't even see it. They say, hey, what is that? I just created a strategy and you've just been a part of history. Oh, wow, okay. Let me see it. So 75% of wick. This is what we want to see. We want to see this market drop down in a bearish candle like this or bullish candle, doesn't matter. Drop down on the bearish or bullish candle. Okay. I'll use the trend line instead. There we go. I'll use a trend line instead. And then after it drops down to that bearish or bullish, okay, after it drops down to that bearish or bullish candle, either one, you want to see the market do this all the way and close like this. So you want to see like 75% wick and 25% candle. The next thing you want to see the market. You want to box that candle up. Box that one candle up like some Chinese takeout. Okay? Then you want to see the market break out. Okay? You want to see the market break out. So I usually look for the market to break out in the direction of the wick. So you want to see that market break out like this. And then you want to see it pull back all the way back. Where? To the base of that candle. I guarantee you're going to make, well, I don't want to guarantee you anything, but you're going to make some money. Okay? If you don't believe me, just watch. You see a wick right here? See this huge wick right here? Huge wick. That happened last week. Okay? Let's go ahead and box it up. Okay? Let's go ahead and box it up. I got so bored of trading. That's I need to create a strategy. Now notice, what are we waiting for, team? We're waiting for the market, okay? We're waiting for the market to break out of that, right? Okay? We're waiting for the market to break out, okay? Waiting for the market to break out. It did it, right? Yes or no? It broke out of that wick. Waiting for it to break out. And now we want to see the market come back down to that zone, okay? As you can clearly see, here's my wick, here's my candle. You can clearly see that the market came down right around the zone, picked up my order, and took me up for a nice 106 pips. Okay? Now I told you I'm going to give you guys that strategy for free. Okay? I'm going to give you that strategy for free. You can have it. I'm done with it. I've used it already. My team has used it already. They're making money off of it. Everyone is waiting now for the new strategy, which is the D5025. Okay, the D5025 just caught me over 400 pips today. Look at those entries. So what if it's 0.01s? It doesn't matter. But we got over 400. Look at those entries. Okay, that's EU. What about AU? Look at those entries. Okay, let's take this sell limit out of here. Okay, let's get this sell limit out of here. Perfect. Look, entry on point. Go to the daily time frame. Look at that entry. We caught it. Look at the wickety wick right on the wick. There's several confirmations that we got into this trade. Draw your fibs from the high. And can anybody tell me, why did we enter this trade? This market pulled back to the 618. When that market pulled back to the 618, wow, look at this. Let's go ahead and box it up again. I bet you majority of you are not even watching what I'm doing. And I just showed you two strategies right now throughout this whole session. And did the market hit my 618 take profit? Yes, it did. The market dropped down, pulled back to my 618. I moved my box, measured move, 618 here. The market dropped down to my 618 here. And that's the reason why we had a reaction in the market. Okay? 10% fundamental, 90% technical. Reactions in the market. So, and wow, this is beautiful. Like I said, you can clearly see, if you don't see that this is an inverted, switch over to your line chart, cut the head off. Okay, Batman. Ooh, Batman is right there. All right, cut the head off. When you cut the head off, look what you see here. All right, I just want to leave you, I also want to leave you with this also. What if I told you, and you don't have to agree with me. You guys don't have to agree with me. Okay? You know false moves happen a lot in the market? Yes or no? False moves happen a lot in the market. Woo! Perfect. Those links are coming to my inbox like crazy. Let's get it. False moves happen a lot in the market. If you believe it, say, type yes or give me some likes. Perfect. What if I told you that head and shoulder patterns, the head of the head and shoulder pattern, or the head of the inverted was a false move? Would you believe me? Yes or no? If I told you that the head of the head and shoulder pattern or the inverted was a false move or a fake out, would you believe me? Some say yes. Watch this. Okay? Watch this. The market comes down and creates support, right? What are we looking for? The first touch was a confirmation, or the first touch was just saying, hey, listen, there's a possibility, possible support, right? We'll just put here, possible support. Okay? The second one is confirmation to support. I know I'm missing the S on possible. Don't worry. Don't judge me. Judge me on my trading style, not my writing style. Okay? Possible support or potential support. The second one was confirmation. This is where you could enter your trade. Okay? Now, what are we looking for? How many times did we retest this support? 1, 2. Now we break out on which one? On the fourth one, right? We know we're going to have a breakout on the fourth one, but this was a false move. This wasn't the fourth test to that line. That was a false move. So anytime you have a false move like that, the market breaks out, comes back into the zone and continue. You see that? False move, head and shoulder pattern, inverted head and shoulder. Okay, let's do it again. What do you see here? We'll do this again. Okay, market breaks into a zone. Here's your first test. You're probably saying that didn't touch. Yes, it did, right here. There's your first test. Here's your second test, false move. There's your false move, inverted head and shoulder pushes the market back into the zone. Okay? Switch over to the line chart. You're going to see this all over your charts. Boom. False move, head and shoulder, pushes the market back into the zone. Inverted head and shoulder. When you switch over to the line chart, you're going to see inverteds everywhere. Look at this. Inverteds, inverteds. Okay? Gotta go? John, call out from work. Stay on this live. Nah, I'll see you later, John. Okay? Look at this. 1. How many tests do we have to the zone? Okay? Here's your breakout. Test to the zone. False move. V bottom pushes the market into the zone. When you see that V bottom, that inverted, pushing the market back into the zone, look what happens to the market next. Taz, what's going on, brother? Okay? It happens not only just the bottom, but on the top also. Okay? Eliminate the distractions by switching over to your line chart. Look at this. When you see a V top, okay, it looks like a shark. Okay? Most people usually see this during the London session. Okay? 1, 2, false move to the top, and the market comes back down inside of the zone. So I just wanted to share that with you. The head and shoulders is nothing but a false move. Well, the head, I don't want to say the entire move, but the head of the head and shoulder and the head of the inverted head and shoulder is nothing but a fake out, inducing sellers to go short, pushing the market in the opposite direction. So look at this right here. This was a downtrend, but what they did was they faked the sellers out and said, hey, listen, we're going to fake you out, and they pushed the market back up to the zone. Okay, push the market back up to the zone. But if you are a Fibonacci trader, you would have just drew your fibs here and said to yourself, okay, I'm not falling for that. You got me last time. I'm not falling for that again. Okay, and look what happened. Okay, look what happened. You can clearly see what happened next. Even with this false move fake out right here, the market came back into the zone. Where did it go to? That market came to the 618. Actually, if you look at it, it came to the 75. And you're probably asking, Orion, why do you have a 75%? I thought it was the 618. I mean the 78%. This market came to the 75. I'm just going to copy this. And this right here, I'm going to blow your mind. It came to the 75. What if I draw my fibs in the opposite direction? Okay, we're still looking for that 75. You see this 75 right here? Notice the market did this. Drop down. It pulled back to the 75. It dropped down where? To the 75. The market broke out of structure. Okay, it broke out of structure. It stopped right there. Fibs are powerful. And it pulled back to what? The 75. And then the market went to hell. Guys, I'm telling you, trading is fun. Trading is fun. You've all been on here for the past 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And notice something. Notice what happened to my profits. Okay? I stayed around $45 around the same thing. All 0.01s. I got 20 pips there, negative 5 pips there. That was the last trade that we did. If you want to find out where you are, just take it right here and just drag it onto your chart. And it's going to show you where your entry was at. I'm telling you, we're going to hold this thing. We're going to hold this. The market is about to close in 10 minutes. I'm holding this thing over the weekend. Holding over the weekend. Don't be surprised if they open it up in the gap. If they open this thing up in the gap, like right here, that would be a huge gap if they do that. But it's not bad. It's only 42, 50 pips, 60 pips. If they open up in the gap right here, beautiful setup. All right, team, traders. With that being said, I want to thank all of you for joining on here. Remember, if you're not in IML and you're interested in learning everything that I just showed you, all right, here's the link to the last person who signed up with me. Join through that link right there. And if you are a part of my team, send me your link. So every time we do a webinar, I'll drop your link on there as well. We're teammates. This is what we do. Okay? And if you are in IML and not on my team, stay tuned. Partner with me and make sure to follow me on IML TV, because if you're on IML TV, I'm going to be dropping the same content. Tonight, we're doing supply and demand on IML TV at 9 p.m. Don't forget to join us because I got a surprise for you tonight. Okay? And then on Saturday, join me on IML TV for market recap at 8 p.m. Because on market recap, we take a look at all of your Mark Simmons. Perfect. No, send it to my, yeah, okay, you can drop it here. It doesn't matter. If you're on my team, drop your link there. You just sent me a link. Perfect. Yeah, if you're on my team, drop your link here. Drop your link here. We want, I don't want you to have to focus on your membership. I want you to focus on the training. So with that being said, thank you all for joining us. We've been on here for 2.5 hours. Woo! 2.5 hours. That's powerful. All right. I'm leaving this time. I got to do a one-on-one training right now. Show me the work. I got to do a one-on-one training right now with the team, with one of my new members. If you're brand new, as soon as you sign up, you get that one-on-one training. I don't want to hear no excuses. James Wright said, I'm not on your team, and he has told me so. Yeah, James, I'm telling you. This is what we do, man. So, and James, thanks for supporting me. Every week I see you on IML TV, man. Thank you. All right. Yeah, we out of here. Thank you. See you guys on the next one.